Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to check CPU temperature on Windows 10. So let's begin the video. You can't directly check CPU temperature on Windows. To get CPU temperature, you will need third-party software. So here are two reliable options. First one is HWMonitor, a pre-tool that shows the temperature of various components, including the CPU. And the next one is Temp. You can use it specifically for monitoring CPU temperature. Download and install either of these tools and then open the software on your device. So open the software to see the current temperature of your CPU. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment below.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.